Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a Meta verified subscription here on Facebook. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, just go ahead and open up the Facebook app. Now, once you're in here, go to the top right or at the bottom right if you're using iOS and just tap on the profile icon. All right. Now, once you're in here, you're going to want to tap on the gear icon right here at the top right or scroll down. Tap on settings and privacy, like so, and tap on settings, okay? Tap on it. Now in here, just tap on Meta Account Center. Tap on it. Now in here, just scroll all the way down and tap on Meta Verified, okay? You will be able to see your active subscription in here. Just tap on Cancel Subscription or Cancel Meta Verified, okay? Another option, tap on Back. Go ahead and go to Subscriptions, tap on it, and in here you'll be able to see Meta Verified as well. Just tap on it and hit on the cancel button. That's basically it. Just simply follow the simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.